Hey, I'm looking for a new deck belt for my 2012 Laser Z. And are there any aftermarket belts that would save me any money?
You know, there may be, but we don't recommend going that way with your class of machine.
Exmark mowing equipment is engineered to the highest performance standards in the industry. When it comes to replacement parts, there's right and there's almost right, and only Exmark has it right. Exmark equipment and components are engineered to deliver exceptional results and long life. All components are carefully designed and tested to work together in harmony, providing uncompromising quality of cut, reduced cost of ownership, and exceptional performance. You own an Exmark because your investment in equipment matters. Only Exmark original parts are built and tested to meet those same high standards. Because when it comes to Exmark quality, close doesn't cut it. Aftermarket parts manufacturers attempt to reverse engineer the original design, and they use components and materials aimed at bringing down costs. Exmark is the only source for original design and engineering. Every part is tested extensively in application settings, not independently. The test labs at our manufacturing facility in Beatrice, Nebraska include 50,000 square feet of indoor space and 14 acres of varied mowing conditions and species of grass in Exmark Park. We maintain 3 other test facilities in different areas of the country to field test our gear under every imaginable grass and field condition. When the current Laser Z platform was introduced back in 2009, that launch capped an amazing 9+ years of combined lab and field test time. Exmark goes the extra mile because we know that subtle details in design and engineering make all the difference in performance, operator comfort, and long service life for parts. For example, your commercial mower's cutter housing and blades take a severe beating. Exmark's premium housings and heavy-duty, grease-free spindles and bearings are matched to the demands of your work. Specially designed, vented seals discourage wear and corrosion. Aftermarket assemblies don't even come close. Exmark cutting blades are precision engineered and tested to work in concert with specific deck designs and turf conditions. Calculations carefully measure everything from discharge, spread, and pulsing to horsepower requirements, even straggler counts. That's right, we count the blades of grass missed in a test pass by our ultra-cut decks. So-called will-fit blades from other manufacturers don't measure up. The geometry, even the metallurgy, just isn't the same. And what about deck and pump belts? A generic replacement belt may be cheaper, but you don't operate a generic mowing machine. Only materials and belts that pass Exmark rigid quality standards bear the Exmark stamp of approval. Critical elements are measured and matched to the right components. Within Exmark's quality process, belt design has migrated from science to art. Only Exmark OEM belts get it right for your machine. With Exmark original parts, you're assured that every part you install is qualified as the very best. Exmark original parts mean the difference between right and almost right. Because at Exmark, we like to cut everything but corners.
We want you to keep getting the performance you expect out of your Laser Z. We only recommend Exmark original parts.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
Exmark builds equipment with your bottom line in mind. Don't settle for almost right. Use only Exmark original parts.